Hello and welcome to another episode of Bullshit Car Reviews. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to paint a helmet. I fucking hate doing voiceovers. Alright, so to paint your helmet, you're gonna need your helmet that you have acquired legally. Some paint, I'm going black, gold, with an undercoat and a primer. I've got some stickers, BSCR for Bullshit Car Reviews, a bull, I just got that off eBay real cheap. Some masking tape, sandpaper, there's a coarse sandpaper and a finer sandpaper, a garbage bag so you don't get your nice tile floor painted on, and a bucket that you don't really care about. The total price of this fun little project is $458.50. Alright, so step one would be to get the coarse sandpaper and use it to sand off the, Alright, so step one would be to get the coarser sandpaper and start sanding. You want to like rub it like you're rubbing a, not too hard, so that way you damage the but just enough to make it rough. Step 2. Sand it again with the finer sandpaper. Step 3. Stuff last Sunday's edition of the Courier Mail into your helmet and use masking tape to mask off everything that isn't going to be painted. Step 4. Shake the can of the undercoat vigorously. Step 5. Apply the undercoat. Hold the can about 20 centimeters away and spray on multiple light coats. Step 6. Realize that you're a goddamn idiot because you just sprayed the undercoat on before the primer. Step 7. Pick up the primer and shake that can even more vigorously than you shook the undercoat. Step 8. Apply the primer. Step 9. Nut one out.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah.
Step 10. Apply paint of your desired color. Okay, so now that the helmet has been painted in its primary color gold, we're now going to slap some stickers on it. I've got a bull here for Bullshit Car Reviews, and the acronym BSCR for Bullshit. Damn, okay, the paint's not dry. We're going to slap some stickers on it, and then paint over it in black, and then peel the stickers off so it looks like the stickers were painted on. And once we paint over it in black, and then peel the stickers off, it should look something like this. Okay, that was the original plan, but then I stuck the stickers on while the paint was still wet, and I entirely fucked it all up. I ended up starting all over again, and, well, it just didn't turn out as nicely as it did the first time. So I got mad and gave up and just slapped some stickers on it and left it at that. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this tutorial on how to not paint a helmet. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow Bullshit Car Reviews on Facebook and Instagram to stay tuned for more quality content. If you've got a cool car you'd like us to review, contact us at bullshitcars@gmail.com.